I'm Andrew Evanoff, Senior Service Advisor for Hurlburt Heating and Plumbing. Today I want to take a little bit of time to talk about humidifiers. With the winter months coming up, the air is going to get drier outside, and for especially older homes that may not be as tightly sealed, humidity can be a big issue into homes. Generally, you want to keep humidity levels between 35 and 50% during the winter time. That is ideal. So we offer 3 different types of humidifiers. First one I'm going to talk about is a bypass humidifier. It's our least expensive option because there's not much to it. There's a water solenoid and a water pad, and also a humidistat control. The way these humidifiers work is the actual humidifier mounts on your supply plenum, and then we take a 6-inch pipe and pipe it to the return plenum. So as it calls for humidity, it powers your furnace fan, and when your furnace fan is running, it'll take the air, pass it across a water pad that's inside that humidifier, and that air passing across that water pad will actually absorb that moisture and distribute it through the system. We sell advanced bypass humidifiers, which save you about 5,500 gallons of water per year compared to basic. With the advanced model, it actually has a sensor in the solenoid, so once that water pad is saturated, it's going to stop the water flow, so you have less water waste. The second type of humidifier that we offer is called a fan-powered humidifier. Fan-powered humidifier can deliver up to 18 gallons of moisture per day. And it's going to be saving you about 10,000 gallons of water per year compared to a basic humidifier. The reason why it can save you so much water and be so much more efficient is because this unit directly mounts on your supply plenum. There's no additional piping that's needed, and it actually has a built-in fan that will run when that humidifier calls for humidity, and so that fan's right against the water panel that's inside and forces air across that water panel, and that air will absorb that moisture and it'll get distributed through your system. Typically with humidifiers, we always want to connect to the hot water line, just because hot water is more easily absorbed in the air than cold water. The third type of humidifier, which is our best option, is called a steam humidifier. This saves you about 15,000 gallons of water a year, and the reason why you can do that is there's no excess waste of water. This box generates enough heat where it actually makes the water in the system evaporate, and once the water evaporates or creates steam, it's piped right into your system. So you have maximum humidity control, maximum efficiency, and it is by far the best product that we sell as far as humidity control goes. So if you're interested in more, we'd be happy to talk to you more about any of these products. Again, I'm Andrew Evanoff with Hurlburt Heating and Plumbing.